Sending a blast in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to message a whole group of accounts at once, choosing your audience, writing the message, and previewing before you send. Let's take a look. You'll find this under CRM Blast from your dashboard. Blaster sends one message, text or email, to a group of accounts at once, instead of you messaging each one individually. Your past blasts live here, so you can see what's gone out. To send a new one, click Compose Blast. Start by choosing your audience. Pick a saved segment, like all active on-premise accounts in your territory, or build a custom list by selecting accounts directly. That's who this message is actually going to. Next, choose email or text and write your message in the composer. Keep it short if it's a text. Before sending, click Preview to see exactly what recipients will get and check the recipient count on screen. When the message and audience are confirmed correct, click Send. Because this goes out to a whole group at once, double-check both before you commit. There's no unsending a blast once it's out.